Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Jabra Elite 7 Pro. So first of all, you have to open this application, and right now, as you can see at the music presets, you can basically find the few presets, so you can switch them just like that. If you want to create your own preset, just click on the plus, and as you can see, you can here create this custom preset. Then you can click save and name. Click save, and there we got our additional preset. Okay, it looks like we have to wait for this some kind of the soft reset, and there we can find our preset. And as you can see, you can delete the presets, the custom preset. When you go for it, you can find the delete button. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.